Well, good afternoon. It's Sunday the 17th, and I am doing number 20 of December Daily. Welcome, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I have no idea what to do today. I printed out some of the Christmas printables I got from Bontic Vintage on Etsy, and I will try to link or print the name of the store in the description, but some of them are so adorable. Like, I printed this out big, and it's too big for my journal though, but they're so pretty. And there's a little Santa. Here's some, oh, this is a background. I can use that as a background on a page. Some journaling cards, some Christmas definition cards, a door, a pretty door, which I was kind of contemplating maybe opening it and having something on the inside. And then here's a cute little village and a church. Oh, this one I was printing out a little bit too small, and a cute little gingerbread house. So I was thinking possibly opening the door and finding Santa inside. Maybe. I think he would fit. At least most of him would fit. But I honestly don't know what else to do. And like, if I use one of these for a background, I'm not even going to want to cover it. So, I gotta figure this out. And like, for some reason, this got cut off the top of the Christmas tree, which I didn't like. So, I have to figure this out. I have cut the door out, and obviously it's a little small for the page. So I might just put some kind of border up here. I don't know what with, but for now I'm going to just, here's the doorknob on the door, so I'm going to cut it out there with my craft knife. Don't really do stuff like this very often, so I don't know how good at it I'm going to be. But we're going to do our best, and I'm going to just go like this and see if that worked. Oh yeah. And now, like this. Yep, and now across the top. Where is it? Okay, it's on that white part. Alright, let's see. Yeah, there we go. And then we can just do that to open the door and find Santa inside. Maybe I'll put it in the middle. Let's cut out Santa and see how he fits in there. He looks, obviously his arms are not going to be in there. Well, let's just go ahead and cut him out and see what happens. Alright, let's open the door and find Santa. I think that looks fine. The only thing is I don't like the background, so I want to put some kind of background. Actually, I could even put a Christmas tree in there. I need to put a background that's not so blah. Or maybe I could just put it on a different page. Maybe I should do that. I don't know. I don't want to skip all these pages. Well, for me, it's a toss-up between this and the very faint music paper. I have to say, though, I kind of like this better. So, and then I can also put some of it up at the top. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and glue these down, and then I'll cut out a border for the top and the bottom, possibly. I also have some other border that I can try too. But let's do this. Let's cut this and see how we like it in the page. I hope you are all doing well. We have another gloomy day today, and of course gloomy days kind of make me feel a little depressed, even though, well, actually I'm always always a little depressed. It's really nothing new. But gloomy days don't help, let's put it that way. So I am always loving sunshine. So I'm going to glue these things on. We'll put Santa in there. And I got to figure out where to put him though. I got to mark it. I'm just going to like mark this to be his head right here. That's where his head's going to go. I hope you're all feeling good and happy and healthy and safe and all that jazz. Okay. Remember, we're going to do that. And now we're going to glue everything except the door on here. Let's move this out of the way for now. Okay. Maybe I should do that. That way I won't get anything on the door accidentally. Ooh, I'm going to have to be careful with this. It's just regular copy paper, so it'd be easy to rip. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Let me put this on here. Like so. Not exactly perfect. I can trim. Yeah, I can trim a little bit off. There's a little bit of green sticking out here. And up here. So now I just have to decide what I want to put at the top and the bottom. I have this page, which is all borders, and I don't need very big borders. I think I have my plan. I'm going to put this across the top and this across the bottom, and that's going to be it. So I think the first order of business is to put the top and the bottom, or actually put the top and then the middle and then the bottom on. I think that's our best bet for getting it on good. I'm going to glue this right across the top, like so. And I think I'm going to use double-sided tape for this. So I will tape everything up, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Alright, I'm going to put the last little finishing touch on here. I have to say it's a lot easier to use glue, except it's messier. And there we have it. Oops, see, I didn't put it down right. Gotta get it straight. That's the trouble. Alright. So now I just have to trim this piece off here and get our number. And there we go. There's Santa inside. I think it's kind of cute. I could not think of anything to do, and then I remembered I had downloaded these papers from Etsy, and I thought, well, let's try that. When I saw the door, I thought that would be cool to try. It's December Daily 20, and I have a feeling I'm out of 2s. Oh no, here's a black 2 and a black 0. We're going to just go ahead and put these on. There. There. I guess right here is good. Now, how's your day been going? I hope it's been going splendidly. Are you doing December Daily or Vlogmas or anything like that? Let me know and I'll be sure to check out your channels too. So there we go. Day number 20 of December Dailies. Little Santa's Cottage, I guess we could call it. Thanks so much for watching.